Hi, so I usually never share a fashion or a shopping haul here, but this is a fashion first for me. If given a chance, I'll always wear my blue denims, but I wanted to switch up the silhouette this summer. So I bought two cargo pants from Old Navy with a few tops. This black one has a elastic waistband and this olive green khaki color one has a zipper in the front. So let's try them out with the tops that I've got. Okay, I got this top to go with these black cargo pants and they look good. I can go for a light walk or hike in this look. I know with these black pants many t-shirts will go, but I want to maximize my closet with my other cargo pants and see how many looks I can achieve with it. So let's try those out. Okay, this top looks good with these pants as well. And I can see myself going for a light walk or hike in this look, but I also want to try other tops that I got in the haul as well as a few basics from my closet. This is the tank top that I got in the haul. I love the monochromatic vibe that it gives to the cargo pants, but here's how I'm going to style it this summer. Okay, so here's the style look. And the cream shoes and the white layer help to break up the monochromatic look. So this is the first top that I bought in the haul to go along with these cargo pants, and I really like the design details of the top. I don't have such a silhouette in my closet. So I'm going to style this with my burnt orange handbag and my sunnies and my off-white sneakers. And here's the look. So I wanted to experiment with something that I have in my closet, which is this green top, but it is feminine. So I wanted to see how this feminine contrast to this utilitarian cargo pants works, and it looks okay. Here's how I'm going to further style it. I want to amplify the monochromatic green within the whole outfit. So I'm adding green sunnies and my green handbag to the look. And as I'm trying things from my closet to go along with this cargo pants, neutral top obviously will go with this color. So I chose this black tank top. I've added a brown fanny pack and these sunnies to complete the look. Another neutral is this white tank top, and this also has some feminine features in it, but it goes well with these cargo pants and sneakers. And I've just added my usual sling bag and sunnies to complete this look. And finally trying out a black and white t-shirt to go along with these cargo pants. Here you go. I've styled it with my regular black sling bag and my black Ray-Bans, and this is the final look.